What's that? Yeah, mate, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I search you up.
Yeah, of course, mate, yeah. Retro Revivals. Yeah. Cool. Cheers, guys.
What do you want to get?
What's your radio, mate? Fiver. Free?
Yeah.
Go on.
Get rid of it.
Go on. Yeah, go on, mate.
Hang on. That's interesting. Very interesting. Hey, you know that? Have a look at that, Dad. Let's see
Free,
what you
mate.
think.
Cheers, mate.
Hey, see what you think of that.
What's that?
Look inside. Hey, it's very interesting. All phone cards.
Bloody hell.
Huh? If you like it, you hey.
How much today, mate?
Yeah, that's right.
How much today?
I'm looking for. I was looking for 20 for
20.
You can make me an offer. That's me bags, isn't it? Come back and make me an offer.
Yeah, okay, mate.
Boss, how much this one, please?
They're all types of work, you know. They're these types, they're no batteries. No chargers with them,
How much that, mate?
What's that?
What's that?
The camera is, say, what, 15 for the two?
For the two. Do you 10 for the two, mate?
Huh?
Would you 10 for the two?
12. No.
12, yeah? Okay.
12.
Yeah, that's fine, mate, yeah.
That's 12.
I've got 15, mate, if you've got 3 quid. Oh, I'll give you 3 quid.
Hold on a minute. Please. Hold on a minute, please. Everyone's coming
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. That's all right. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
2 quid, man.
What's that?
Yeah, it works, mate. Yeah, you can try it in your car, mate.
Yeah.
Hey,
And this two, please.
what's that?
1, 2, 3.
I'll do 10 for the whole lot of them.
What about that? Oh, what about that, mate?
Huh?
What about that?
2 quid, mate.
2 quid, yeah?
So you found it?
Oh, not yet, mate. I'm
I'll
just
be
rushing
back,
here,
okay.
mate. Everyone's around.
Thank you.
There you go, mate. 2 quid there, mate. Cheers, thank you.
4 quid, yeah.
Pound each, 6 for 5.
6 for a 5, yeah.
Stud detector.
What's that? Stud detector?
So you've got me missing.
Cool, that's a vintage one, isn't it?
Let's stop with going through electric.
That's it, yeah. All pipes, isn't it?
Yeah. Sort of thing I do.
Yeah, and me. Got 3 there, mate. It's 3. Oh.
7.
Yeah, that's it, mate. That's it.
5.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
There's a 2.
Lovely. Cheers, mate.
Thank you.
Thank
Cheers,
you
mate.
very much. Cheers.
Alright, it's early, isn't it? That means it's only early.
Hello.
I got some nice bits there.
Oh, have you?
All cheap to you when you want it. That's a lovely little animal carrier.
Where? Oh, that?
Yeah,
Well, it needs an animal, isn't it?
yeah.
You ain't got one of them, have you?
What about a nice? This is for a car. You know, I think it does.
Oh, I've just bought one of them.
Yeah, but
Yeah. Oh, well, not here, but like, yeah, yeah.
For £3 if you want. It's brand new.
Probably,
£3. Look, it's a nice one. Look.
probably not.
Come on, £3. You get the
Oh,
good
no.
bar.
Oh, no, I think I'll leave that.
That's a good game.
Yeah, isn't it? Murder
Yeah, it
mystery.
is a good game. It's all in there as well. It's all in there and all. Exercise bike, thing.
Oh,
Ball.
Mrs. might like one of them, wouldn't she?
You would. I give you for £3. Brand new. Look, it's still in the box.
I'll have a little thing, I'll give her a little text.
Yeah.
Yeah. No worries, no worries. Right, yeah, I'm going to be around, so see you in a sec.
See you, Tom. See you when you come back.
I will. Oh, I'm just a teddy, please.
Just 50p.
Yeah, okay. Oh.
£10.
Thank you.
Yeah, £1.
Yeah, that's all right. Yeah. Lovely, thank you.
Bye.
Cheers.
Right, the arc. Right.
Oh, mate, how's it going? You alright? How much, mate? £2.
How much is?
Yeah, go on, I'll give you a couple of quid for that. Lovely. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Cheers, mate. Your hat, please.
50p.
50p. Yeah. Let's leave that on there for you.
Oh,
Lovely, thank you.
£3 each, mate.
£3 each.
Clothes.
Okay, mate.
Mixed size, men's, women's.
Yeah.
We have a top as well for this
You-
somewhere.
Oh, what, a matching top?
Yeah, yeah.
Tracksuit, okay.
It's here somewhere. Here we go.
Oh, okay.
No, it's one more.
Oh, it's bottoms are
But
good.
there is a
There is a top somewhere.
yeah, somewhere.
Okay.
Just check because it's
Yeah,
here somewhere.
okay, mate.
See.
Nice.
£5.
Do 4 for 10, mate. That's £2 off, no?
It's price. If you take like 30, 40, 50,
Oh, right, yeah.
discount because
Yeah.
2, 3, 4 is
It's-
not as many.
No, okay.
We have a full warehouse at home, so
Yeah. Okay.
Skechers.
I've got 3, mate.
3?
Yeah. Cheers.
On them, please.
Lovely. Cheers, mate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shafi? Shafi? Yeah, good. What is that?
£5 each. 5 each. All
£5
branded
each?
clothes. Yeah. All branded. Football jerseys 7 each. Yes, sir.
So that's £1.
What's that, mate? 5?
Yeah,
5. You do 4? No.
Condition.
Go on, mate.
Not dirty, no holes. And
I'll have a think on that, mate. It's because of the mark. Yeah. So I'll
I've heard of it, I don't know what it is, yeah. Might be me showing my age there.
How much that, mate?
You know what, I think I got one.
How much that?
50p.
50p, yeah. Okay.
Gonna get 50p.
Yeah, okay, mate. Oh, nice one. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Right, guys, that was a successful little trip. First trip out on the boot sales. Couple of it. I picked up a couple of a jersey. Picked up a nice New York Knicks basketball jersey there. I didn't have it on the end of the camera. I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. But yeah, no, overall pretty good. So yeah, watch this space, guys, for the next ones. I'm heading to 2 boot sales tomorrow, so it's going to be a lot more footage. So we're getting back in the action. Cheers, guys.